Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 28th of December till the 4th of January 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, honey, this is not your story. It might or might not resonate because it's a journal reading. Okay, please keep that in mind. Leo. And also, I'm taking a live 7 days manifestation workshop where we are going to learn how to unblock our chakras and heal our chakras and then manifest our dream life while working on our chakras because they are the base to get our manifestation into fruition. Okay, so this is going to be from 20 till the 26th of January. It's going to be live 1.5 hour session every day. If you will not be able to join live, you can get the recordings for 3 months, and if you are interested, you can join. The link is given below in the description box for the same in the starting. If you have any queries, you can mail us. Okay, so let's start. For personal reading and healing session too, links are given below for the same. Let's see the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now, Leo. Yep, let's start. We have Three of Wands, Eight of Cups, Ten of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Swords. You guys are trying to move forward. You guys are 1 foot in, 1 foot out of a situation, but mostly out. And you guys are trying to walk away from something or someone to be with a particular person or situation or be with your family. So you are heading towards a long term goal of yours, a long term happiness of yours, a desire, a long term desire of yours that includes family or something related to family, literal family or something related to family, or your desire to have a happily ever after kind of a thing. Okay, so you are leaving something or someone behind in order to move towards a better opportunity, a better connection, a better relationship. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Swords. Suddenly you are very clear, like there is crystal clear clarity in your head about certain things in your life, especially in this department, and you are heading towards that goal of your life where you know what you want, but you have to let go of something or someone, and you're trying your best to do that. That's the deal for you. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Leo. Wheel of Fortune, your person is feeling like everything is changing. Nothing is the same as it used to be. Everything is changing. The tables are turning. The wheel is turning here. Now, I don't know if it's positive turn or negative one. Let me clarify the Wheel of Fortune. Because Wheel of Fortune is neither positive nor negative. It's a card of change. It's a card of things changing, going forward, moving forward, in circle, full circle, you can say. Okay, let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune as their feelings for you. We have the Lovers, the Strength, and the Six of Wands. Okay, this person is feeling like wow, your priorities have shifted. Your decision is changing regarding this particular dynamics. Maybe you were putting something or someone on hold so that you can make the choice or decision afterwards. Now this person is feeling like you are moving towards your own goals. You are focused on yourself. You are focused on your own victory, success, and happiness, and you are not focused on them at all. Okay, so what is happening here is at some point of time you were very focused on this particular person or situation of your life, and now you're not. And now this person is feeling like you are self absorbed, a little bit selfish, and you're just doing your own thing, and you are kind of not interested in them anymore. This is what they're feeling, that the tables are turning, the time is shifting, you are no longer dependent on them, or you're no longer choosing them, but you're choosing yourself, and you're holding back. You know, you are just stepping back from the situation, not holding back, stepping back from the situation. This is what they feel. They're feeling like you're drifting away from them with each passing day. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Knight of Swords. So from your side, you feel like rushing towards someone, like clearing the air with them, or maybe confronting someone. But you're in a restless energy of okay, I have to do it right now, because of whatever reason. You feel like I have to do this. I have to cut the crap immediately. It's important. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Swords here, Leo. We have the Sun card, the Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands. Yes, you feel like everything is crystal clear as a day for you. You feel like cutting this particular person or situation out of your life, out of your system, because you have outgrown them, and now you feel like being on your in your independent era, in creating your own reality, in manifesting a brand new life, and manifesting a brand new Leo. So you feel like you should just cut the crap, cut a person or situation as soon as possible from your life, and focus on your own happiness and create your own reality, period. This is what your energies are. Little bit rebellious. And little bit rebellious, and I'm not getting the exact word here, Leo. Rebellious, excited, and a little bit I don't give a crap kind of attitude. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? Seven of Swords. Their intention here is to sneak away. Let me clarify this before we are going to jump into any kind of conclusions here. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords here. We have the Seven of Wands, Three of Pentacles, and the Tower. They want to pretend, they want to show to you that they don't care about this collaboration or partnership, and they are protecting themselves by not participating in the situation anymore. It's like this person wants to, because their ego is a little bit bruised or hurt, this person doesn't want to blame you. They want to show you that they are a very mature person, and they are the one who is stepping back, and they are the one who is protecting their own energies, protecting their own life. They are the one who is protecting them from this disaster, from this bond. This is, according to them, this is a disaster, and they are trying to protect themselves from this. It's like the other way around. Okay, it's deceptive. They know that you are the one drifting apart, you are the one getting away from the situation, you are the one super focused on your life and your own manifestations, but they want to make this situation look like the other way around. Are you getting my point here, Leo? They want to make other people think, or to themselves maybe, that I am the one who is drifting apart, I am the one who is leaving the situation for my own peace, I am the one who is leaving this situation because it's a disaster. Okay, so they want to convince themselves that they are the one who is leaving the situation behind for good, because they are protecting their peace and their life at any cost. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Two of Pentacles. You just want to get out of this on and off, in and out, or full of confusion kind of energy. You guys want to make a choice or make a decision and stick to that decision of yours. Basically, you want stability. Okay, maybe within this dynamics, or maybe just in your life as a whole, right? Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles here. We have the Ace of Wands, the High Priestess, the Hermit. You know, you want to listen to your intuition very, very, very deeply. Like you just are in tune with your intuition these days, and you want to sit in silence and connect with your inner self, and you want to understand what exactly matters to you in this lifetime and what you should release, so that you can get the stability that you are yearning for, that you are longing for from quite a long time now. This up and down, on and off. From the last 2 years, you're struggling with the stability portion of your life, whether it's in your job or career or office energy, or it's in your relationship area. Now you want stability. Now you want to sit with yourself and understand what really matters to you and what doesn't. And then you want to stabilize your energies for good this time. Okay. This time you're quite serious. Okay. For the work. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 4th of January, Leo. Okay, we have the Eight of Wands. A lot of fast and forward movement, maybe a lot of communication too. Back and forth communication, lot of fast and forward movement, and or traveling, and or your life moving forward in a very, very fast pace, but in a very positive way. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands. Whatever it is, your life will start moving in a very fast and forward way. And it is going to make you feel like a little bit at the edge. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands. We have the Nine of Wands, the Empress, and the World card. Okay, finally, you guys will be able to create a strong boundary. Although you are going to be hurt, but you are going to be continuously fighting for what you believe in, and then that is going to lead to this growth and expansion that you are working on, and then you will be able to complete one cycle of your life. It's basically you are going to close one chapter of your life because you're going to take a stand for yourself, even if you have to. I think you have to fight for taking this stand of yours, and it's going to hurt you, it's going to bother you, but you are not going to leave your stand. You are going to fight for it, and the moment you are going to realize that what is important for you, you will be able to move forward in a very, very fast pace in your life. Your growth and expansion and your plans and everything will start coming to you. It will be like downloads coming in, and then there is going to be closing of one chapter for good this time and moving to the next one immediately. It's like flipping the page immediately, the one that you finish, and then flipping the page and starting the new page, or maybe starting a new book altogether. Okay, so everything will start changing in your life in a very fast and forward way. The moment you are going to decide what you have to stand for, what you have to fight for, a new chapter, a new book will arrive in your life, and it's going to happen very, very quick and fast and sudden. But you guys have to make it happen. That's the point here. It's not going to happen if you're not going to do anything. Nothing is ever going to change if we are going to change nothing. That's for sure, Leo, for all of us. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Leo, for this one. We have the Death and Rebirth, the Two of Swords, and Knight of Swords. It's like in order to, you know, in order to transform your life from the inside out, you guys have to stop running away from those people, situations, or things or circumstances that are uncomfortable. You guys have to confront those feelings, those energies, maybe those people if it is possible. If not, it's fine. But the more you are going to avoid, or the more you are going to, ignore those things, situations, or people that you should not be ignoring, that you should be facing, that you should be, completely um, sit with, the more it's going to be difficult for you to transform or change your life the way you want it to change. So basically, instead of running away from the problems, from the difficult situations, difficult conversations, or confrontations, sit with them, talk with them, connect with yourself, understand them properly, let them hurt you, let them burn you, let them make you diamond from a coal. That's how a diamond becomes a diamond, under a lot of pressure. Otherwise, it's just carbon, right? It's carbon, right? It's like just coal, carbon, whatever you call it. I don't know that much of science. I forgot everything. But this is the thing here. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate, Leo. Please keep that in mind. It is also general. If it does, good. If it doesn't, leave this portion and just be happy. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If they're not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. So the answer to your question is unlikely. Unlikely is, for the time being, it's a no. It's not an absolute no. Okay, it suggests that what you're asking about is unlikely to occur. However, it is a classic case of if anything changes, everything could change. The future is fluid, so make some changes and ask again. Next week, you can ask again. Cool. So right now, it's not happening. Maybe next week. Thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.